YouTube. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this video. We're going to do a quick check on the brakes on the Mercedes E350. The front brakes were changed, the rear brakes wasn't. I had purchased some brake pad sensors. I got these online through eBay. I believe it was eBay. And for some reason, after the brakes were changed, the car is still saying that it's a brake, something like a brake. All right, see there? It says ESP and it's ABS malfunction, and brake service workshop, and then this brake light over here. I gotta put some more coolant in here as well. So what I'm going to do is, well, I'm gonna back the car up a little bit first, and I want to change the sensors and see if that handles the situation. I had purchased 2 items from Harbor Freight a minute ago. Dang. Crazy. Guess that's how they did it, huh? Oh, why they make them so tight? Sensor is connected. So right here, what's it? Tried to do that was to put this in here. It's crazy. All right, for the sensor. it's not even a sensor in at all on this side. Yo, where the whole connection piece at, man? Oh.
The next day.
Back was bad. GoPro died, so I'm going to just do a little bit on here. Upload it. All right, let me holler at y'all when I get the wheel off. Change the backs now. I hope this make the light go out. I'm gonna clean this sensor over here. Clean this sensor next, and then hopefully that'll be it. Alright, got them out. It's the one with the sensor, so every other side have a sensor on it. I'll wipe this down. Make sure there's dirt on that. Clean the sensor, and then put the wheel back on.
It's caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.